Right, here are two that I did yesterday at Harrogate. The first one for you cryptid lovers is T-Bird. Look up, look high into the sky. Can you see it? Watch it fly. 50-foot wingspan. Is it a vulture? No, it is mentioned in First Nation culture. It is the thunderbird of legend renowned. It flaps its wings but produces no sound. In 77 it picked up a small boy, as easily as we'd pick up a kid's toy. It would have taken him to feed its young, if not for quick thinking by his mum. She scared it so it dropped the lad. She hugged him, how she was totally glad. It is often seen as a harbinger of doom. Mention of it will quieten a room. Sadly, no videos or photos exist. To say it don't exist, I will resist. That's the first one. Now the second one is called The Blues, and it's got me singing, and I've got the worst singing voice you have ever heard. So, here we go. Well, I woke up this morning. This is how a blues song begin. First there is washing and shaving the chin. My woman don't leave me. Not her fault that rumour letters end. You treated her badly, your car you made her mend. The repo man took my car. You had no insurance, no tax. In control of finances you were well lax. My dog done died. It was the food that killed him. Yes, indeed. He can't live on chocolate, whiskey and weed. I ain't got no job. It is, in my view, the fault of the bankers. They smashed our economy, the silly people. Thank you.